Located at the Black Sea coast in northeast Turkey, Trabzon is one of the most important crossroads and seaports of the Silk Route. Trabzon is located at the intersection of Asian and European trade routes, and it is a secure investment center in the fields of trade, industry, tourism and logistics. Trabzon is the biggest city in the region, with a young, dynamic and educated population of about 1 million. Trabzon, which realises half of the export activities in the Black Sea region and which is among the most important export centres in Turkey, exports products over to 100 countries. Trabzon is a powerful centre located on the east, west and north-south highway corridors connecting the Eurasian market. Trabzon International Airport is an important transfer point for passenger and cargo transportation between Asia and Europe. There are direct flights to Gulf countries, Europe, North Africa and Caucasian countries from Trabzon Airport. Trabzon Port, which opens the Silk Road to the Black Sea, is an important location for international container transportation. Trabzon Free Zone continues to serve the international trade with modern storehouses and warehouses. Trabzon maintains being a trade centre in the region since ancient times. In Trabzon, which has a lively and dynamic trade life, there are shopping centres and streets containing several internationally renowned brands, and historical places in which local authentic products are produced and sold. In the universities in Trabzon, which is a city of education as well, qualified engineers are brought up thanks to the powerful academic staff and laboratory infrastructures. Academics, students and companies produce high-end and innovative products in Trabzon Technological Development Zone with the government support. In the Innovation and Biotechnology Centre, researches are being made in order to employ the rich flora of the region in the production of raw materials for medicines. Technological products with high added value are also being developed in this centre. The investment island and industrial zone, which is designed to be built on the sea, will create bigger opportunities for international investors. There are also R&D and logistics centres in the zone where high-end production will be realised. In Trabzon, which is one of the centres Turkey gives priority in the investment incentives, the comprehensive government supports are given on subjects such as taxes and energy, in addition to granting lands at discounted prices for the investments. Investments in various sectors have been made in the organised industrial zones in Trabzon. Trabzon Chamber of Commerce and Industry, which is one of the oldest institutions in the field in Turkey, was established in 1884. The international trade possibilities are extended through cooperation with chambers of commerce and industry of many countries. The business persons in Trabzon Chamber of Commerce and Industry work in approximately 250 different sectors. The business persons who have made investments in a vast geographical area are experienced in the international collaborations. More than half of the hazelnut export of Turkey, which is the largest hazelnut producer in the world, is realised in Trabzon. Hazelnuts and hazelnut products processed in the modern integrated plants in Trabzon are presented to the world market. Trabzon has a significant share in Turkey's raw vegetables and fruit exports as well. A great number of plants which process a tea harvested in the East Black Sea region, which is the most indigenous fresh tea production area, are located in Trabzon. The Turkish tea sector is improved through the investments and R&D activities made by means of international cooperation. Which has the biggest share in the seafood fishing in Turkey. There are fresh and saltwater aquaculture production plants. Many salt and freshwater products, which are processed in the plants of Trabzon, mainly anchovy, are exported. Trabzon has a brand value in Turkey's dairy food industry. Many products from Trabzon, notably butter and cheese, are highly demanded. Several meat products, especially worldwide known Abat meatball, are produced and marketed from the meat and meat products processing plants in Trabzon. Trabzon is one of the most important centers of Turkey in the dried nut and fruits processing and marketing sector, mainly hazelnut. There is a developed flour industry in Trabzon, where the most delicious breads in Turkey are made. The copper mine in Trabzon is processed and transformed into industrial products. Trabzon produces sub-industry products with heavy casting technology for the renowned and automotive brands around the world. Hydraulic construction machines in various sizes and the machinery used in the food industry are produced and exported in Trabzon. In addition, international maintenance services are given for these machines. Dumpers are produced for heavy tonnage vehicles in Trabzon. Vehicle bodies with cooling and various other features which will be used in the logistics sector are manufactured in Trabzon. The rubber coating industry for heavy vehicles and construction machines gives service with improved applications. There are various types and sizes of plants producing sürmene knives in Trabzon. Technological devices such as flow meters, electrical heaters, etc. produced in Trabzon are exported to many countries in the world. The rich forests in the region are transformed into industrial products in the plants of Trabzon. A wide range of products are manufactured, mainly timber products, kiln-dried goods, plyboard and flooring panels, hardwood, wood pallet and wooden building materials. Wooden and prefabricated container-type houses and living unit models are produced in Trabzon. furniture have modern designs, are produced and exported in Trabzon. The textile products manufactured in Trabzon are exported to the world market. There is a footwear industry in which high-quality production is made for especially work shoes in Trabzon. Trabzon mesh and filigree, which are world-renowned handcrafted jewelry products, are in high demand internationally. Trabzon has a developed construction and construction materials sector. Trabzon-based companies carry out important projects in Turkey and abroad. Turkey's leading cement production plants are located in Trabzon. There are plants manufacturing landscape products and paving stones used in the infrastructures and superstructures of buildings and cities, and plastic pipes of various diameters in Trabzon. Processed glass products of each type, especially double glazing and facade glass products, are manufactured in the plants in Trabzon. Various heat insulation, jacketing panels and packages are produced with expanded ridge foam technology. The production and installation of steel construction products used in the construction of the factories and plants of various scales, depots, storehouses and bonded warehouses are located in Trabzon. In Trabzon, where there are many hydroelectric power plants in which the rich stream resources are transformed into energy, the equipment used in the construction of these plants is also produced. In Trabzon, solid and fluid-fired boilers, natural gas-fired boilers and steam boilers are produced and exported. High-technology products are also produced and presented to the world market in Trabzon, one of the most important laboratories of Europe studying the cell and gene technology is located in Trabzon. Surgical thread is produced with delicate technology in Trabzon. Trabzon is one of the most important implant production locations in Turkey. In the weapon factories in Trabzon, which are among the most important centers of Turkey in the defense industry, automatic weapon models are produced and exported. Various types and sizes of marine transportation vehicles, modern equipped fishing boats, and high-end technology research ships are constructed in the shipyards of Trabzon. The plants, which produce technological equipment for the maritime sector, are in operation in Trabzon. Trabzon, which is one of the oldest cities and living trade centers of the world, continues strengthening its historical strategic location day by day.